Hi, I'm Norman, and in this week's Frosty Friday challenge, we are looking at the addition of ILIKE in combination with the select star query. Not a game changer in itself, but it might just rock your world. Consider a scenario where we'd like to retrieve all of the columns with the word containing IoT. In other words, the select star ILIKE combination allows us to retrieve columns whose name conform to a known string pattern. In this week's challenge, we are working with a dataset of 9 different columns, tracking numbers, letters, and symbols. And our task is to extract any or all data related to the characters TWO2, whether that be a number, letter, or symbol. To that end, let's jump in to our Snowflake worksheet, where I've already gone ahead and configured the setup by specifying the database schema and warehouse. Our first bit of code here defines a common table expression, or CTE, with sample data. Running the query returns one row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different columns. And what we'd like to be able to achieve is 3 columns, one for each instance of the characters TWO. So number 2, letter 2, and symbol 2. So let's go ahead and modify our select star statement by adding ILIKE, single comma, single quote, I should say, percent symbol, followed by our pattern string, single quote. The percent sign can be used to match any sequence of 0 or more characters. Running or rerunning this query, and we get our expected result of 1 column, or 3 columns followed by 1 row. All right, if you've found this useful, go ahead, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as they say in my hometown, don't forget to be awesome.